In your line of work, you can't afford computers that fail when they're sprayed down, baked, or otherwise abused. But how do we know that Teguar computers can stand up to the test of time? We don't have years to show you that today. But what we can do is crank the intensity up to 11 on a few stress tests in order to simulate years of abuse. This tablet is rated at 6 feet, but we're going to push it a little bit further today. Once the torture tests are done, then and only then can it be given the name Teguar. Contact us today.